Tired of spreadsheets looking all the same? Let's shake things up. In this video, you'll discover simple modern ways to insert images directly into your Excel cells. No tech headaches or complicated steps required. I'll show you through some of Excel's latest features designed to make your files more visual, professional, and easy on the eyes. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll have a new go-to trick for making your spreadsheet stand out and work better for you. So when we're talking about inserting image in Excel, we're not talking about an image that overlays the grid here. You can see that if this image overlays the grid, if I move things around, it moves with it. Of course, you can make it not adjust that. There's settings to do that. But we're talking about having an image that is in the cell. So when I move things around here, it moves along with the cell, within a cell. So let's see how to put an image in the cell itself. I'm going to get rid of all this here first. Right-click, delete. And I'll go through a couple examples to delete this one. So this is the first example of what we can do when we're talking about putting an image in Excel. So we're going to use the image function. So I'll type image, press tab, and it's going to look for a source. The only thing it needs really is the source address. And I've got a source address. You have to put it within quotes because it's a string, Control V. Now this is the source of a flag that's out there on the internet. Press enter, close parentheses, press enter, and I've got the image of that. So even if I adjust things like this, double click here and move it, it adjusts with the cell itself. Control Z to undo that. And we do the same here for here. So another example, and let's put another one here. We'll put another image here, and we'll do it for Brazil. My source, I'm finding something out on the internet. Close parentheses, press enter. We have it here too. So that's one way we can do it, is using the image function. Another way to do it is just basically insert it. And so I can go to insert, go to pictures, place in cell. So you have this option where you place in cell, you can place over cells. So this example, place over cells was that larger picture of Canada, and this place in cells is what we want to do. And we'll get the image into the cell itself. So I'll click from this device. I've got some PNG images here, save them on my desktop. I just click on one of them, click insert. It puts it into the cell itself. And the same thing here. And if I adjust here, the image moves within the cell itself. Control Z to undo. You do the same here. Go to insert pictures, place in cell this device. Let's put another image of Brazil in there. Click insert, and it does that there. Now, a third way to do it, and this is kind of specific to flag images. So these two are any images you can put in here. And the third way we can do it is to use the data type feature within Excel. But first, I need to change this one into a data type of geography. Go to data, and we have this drop down here, the data types. I'm going to click geography. It's going to go out to the internet and find out that the values here are countries. Let me say no thanks to this. And with countries, you can do some specific things. If I reference this, if I go equal reference that, there's some other things I can pull out of here. Like I can pull out the abbreviation for that country, press enter, and it pulls out CA. Drag this fill handle down, and it'll do the same thing. But I want a picture in there. And what it does is there is an option for a flag. If I go back here and I scroll all the way down, there's an image here. Click on that, press enter. I have a flag of Canada. But drag this down, I'm going to have a flag of Brazil. And so that's another way that you can get an image. But this is specific to an image of a flag. And of course, it doesn't apply if you want images of other things. Maybe this is a penguin or a dog. You would follow the first example here in cell B or C, whether you want to have an image function or just copy the image directly in the cell. And that's how you can get images within a cell in Excel. Now you've just seen how simple it is to bring visuals into your Excel files. If you enjoyed these tips, remember to subscribe for more easy to follow guides. I'd love to hear what Excel features you want to explore next. Share your thoughts below. And thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.